Have you ever noticed this? Your phone shows 100% charged, you unplug it, and within 10 or 15 minutes, it suddenly drops to 90, 85, even 80%. It feels like your battery is lying to you. But here's the truth. In most cases, the battery is not the real problem. In this video, I'll explain why your phone does this, the real technical reasons behind it, and how you can fix it properly. No fake apps, no battery myths, only real solutions. Section 1. The 100% battery myth. First, you need to understand one important thing. 100% does not mean fully healthy battery. Smartphones use lithium-ion batteries. When your phone reaches around 90 to 95%, charging slows down a lot. The final 5 to 10% is mostly software estimation, not real power gain. Think of it like a glass already full of water. You can force a few more drops in, but it doesn't actually hold much more. That's why the first few percent after unplugging disappear very fast. Section 2. Battery calibration problem. This is the #1 reason for fast battery drop after 100%. It's called battery calibration error. Your phone does not measure battery directly. It estimates battery percentage based on usage patterns. When calibration goes wrong, 100% drops quickly. 20% suddenly becomes 5%. Phone shuts down unexpectedly. This usually happens because you always charge overnight, you never let the battery go low, you use the phone while charging. Section 3. Background apps drain. Your phone may be fully charged, but apps can drain power silently in the background. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google services, location-based apps. Even with the screen off, your processor, internet, and GPS may still be working. That's why battery drops fast right after unplugging. Section 4. Fake or weak chargers. Another big reason is using low-quality chargers or cables. A cheap or fake charger may show 100%, but voltage is unstable, battery heats up, charging is incomplete. So your phone reaches 100% visually, but the battery cells are not properly filled. Rule number 1. Always use original or certified chargers. Section 5. Battery health degradation. Now let's talk about reality. Every battery ages. After about 1.5 to 2 years, battery capacity reduces naturally. So when your phone shows 100%, it may actually behave like an old 65 to 70% battery. Signs of battery health damage: phone heats quickly, battery drops faster after 80%, multiple charges needed daily. No software trick can fix physical battery aging. Section 6. Fast charging side effects. Fast charging is convenient, but it's not always battery friendly. High voltage and heat slowly damage battery chemistry. Over time, battery charges fast but cannot hold the charge. That's why many fast-charging phones drop quickly after 100%. Use fast charging when needed, not all the time. Section 7. How to fix the problem. Fix number 1. Battery calibration. Most important. Follow these steps carefully. Use your phone until it shuts down at 0%. Leave it powered off for 30 minutes. Charge it to 100% without interruption. Keep charging for an extra 30 minutes. Restart the phone. Do this once every 3 to 4 weeks. Fix number 2. Control background apps. Disable unnecessary background activity, limit location access, uninstall unused apps. Fix number 3. Improve charging habits. Avoid overnight charging. Keep battery between 20% and 80%. Don't use your phone heavily while charging. Fix number 4. Keep software updated. Updates often include battery optimization and bug fixes. Section 8. What you should not do. Avoid these completely. Battery booster apps. Fake calibration apps. Extreme heat or cold usage. Charging with damaged cables. These cause more harm than good. So if your phone charges to 100% but drops fast, it's not magic and it's not a defect. It's usually calibration issues, background apps, poor chargers, charging habits, or battery aging. Fix the cause, not the symptom. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to Mendit Tech, and comment battery. I'll reply with an extra battery-saving tip.